Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Kia Forte EX. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a IVD transmission. This Kia has less than 74,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 30 miles per gallon in the city and 40 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.